Hello children, how are you doing? I hope you all are fine and I'm back with a new story, a game of chance. So, क्या सोचते हैं आप क्या होने वाला है स्टोरी में? Do you have an idea? चलो, let's get started with by pasting the picture of 3 things you would like to buy from a fair. And what kind of values we are going to learn? We will learn save money, how to save money, wisdom, and we will know about presence of mind, how we can use that. Okay, so let's begin the story, bachcho. Every year on the occasion of Eid, there was fair in our village. Eid was celebrated only one day, but the fair lasted many days. जो मेला लगता था, ईद तो एक दिन से ख़त्म हो जाती थी एक दिन के बाद, लेकिन जो मेला था वो बहुत दिनों तक चलता था. Tradesmen from far and wide came there with all kinds of goods to sell. You could buy anything from a small pin to a big buffalo. वाव, दूर दूर से व्यापारी आते थे अपना सामान बेचने के लिए. यहाँ पे एक सुई से लेकर एक बड़े बफेलो तक भी आप खरीद सकते थे. Uncle took me to the fair. Bhaiya, who worked for us at home, also was with us. There was a big crowd at the fair. Uncle, who was leading us through the crowd when he met a few of his friends, they wanted him to spend some time with them. And Uncle asked me whether I would like to look around the fair with Bhaiya. Till he came back, I was happy to do that. मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी क्योंकि मुझे उनके साथ भी घूमना था और उनके साथ भी घूमना था. Uncle warned me neither to buy anything nor to go too far out while he was away. तो उन्होंने चेतावनी दे दी, ना तो कुछ ऐसा ज़्यादा खरीदना और ना ही कहीं दूर जाना. ठीक है. I promised that I would wait for him. Bhaiya and I went from shop to shop. There were many things I would have liked to buy, but I went from shop to shop. Then we came to what was called the lucky shop. The shopkeeper was neither young nor old. He was a middle-aged man. He seemed neither too smart nor too lazy. Lazy भी नहीं थे, smart भी नहीं थे, बूढ़े भी नहीं थे, young भी नहीं थे, middle man थे. He wanted all to try their luck. There were discs on the table with the numbers from 1 to 10 facing down. What all you had to do was to pay paise 50. Pick up any 6 discs and add up the numbers on the disc and find the total. The article marked with the number was yours. जो भी आपके नंबर से मार्क होगा, मतलब उसकी तरफ जाएगा, वो आर्टिकल आपका हो जाएगा अगर आप ऐसा करते हैं. An old man paid 50 paise and selected 6 discs. He added up the numbers on them and found that the total was 15. उस जो नंबर उनका आया वो 15 था. He was given the article marked 15 which was a beautiful cloak. तो जो भी 15 नंबर के आस पड़ी थी, पास में जो आर्टिकल पड़ा था वो था एक बहुत सुंदर सी घड़ी. And but the old man did not want a cloak. The shopkeeper obliged him by buying it back for 15 rupees. अब उसने बोला कि मुझे घड़ी नहीं चाहिए, तो उसने बोला ठीक है आप मुझे घड़ी बेच दो, कोई बात नहीं, 15 रुपए में. The old man went away very pleased. Then a boy a little older than I tried his luck. He got a comb worth 25 paise. The shopkeeper looked neither happy nor sad. He bought the comb from the boy for 25 paise. Okay, 25 पैसे जो आपने देखे होंगे पहले पैसे हुआ करते थे. The boy tried his luck again. He now got a fountain pen worth 3 rupees. Then he tried a third time and got a wristwatch worth 25 rupees. When he tried again, he got a table lamp worth more than 10 rupees. The boy was very happy and went away with a smile and good deal of cash. I wanted to try my luck too. I looked at Bhaiya. He encouraged me and I paid 50 paise and took 6 discs. My luck was not too good. I got 2 pencils. The shopkeeper bought them from me for 25 paise. I tried again. This time I got a bottle of ink, also of little value. The shopkeeper bought that too for 25 paise. I took a chance for the third time. Still luck was not with me. I had hopes of winning a big prize and continued to try my luck again and again, paying 50 paise each time. But every time I got a trifle. And at last I was left with only 25 paise. Again the shopkeeper showed his kindness. He said I could either play once more with 25 paise or settle the account then and there. I played again and the last 25 paise also disappeared. वो भी खत्म हो गए. People were looking at me. Some were laughing at my bad luck, but none showed any sympathy. कुछ तो हंस रहे थे मेरे बैड लक पर, कुछ किसी ने दया नहीं दिखाई ज़्यादा. Bhaiya and I went to the place where uncle had left us and waited for him to return. Presently he came. He looked at me and said, Rashid, you look upset. What is the matter? I did not say anything. Bhaiya told him what had happened. Uncle was neither angry nor sad. He smiled and patted me. He took me to a shop and bought me a beautiful umbrella, biscuits and sweets and some other little gifts. Then we returned home. Back home, uncle told me that the lucky shop man had made a fool of me. तो घर वापस आया तो अंकल ने मुझे उसे बताया कि लाइक जो लकी मैन शॉप के वहाँ पे जो पर्सन थे उन्होंने उसे मूर्ख बनाया है. नो अंकल, आई सेड इट वॉज नीदर गुड लक nor bad luck. But uncle, I said I saw an old man getting a cloak and boy getting 2 or 3 costly things. क्योंकि उससे पहले तो वही खेले थे. और जो याद है जो बूढ़ा आदमी था उसको घड़ी के लिए भी पैसे मिले थे, उसको घड़ी मिली थी और छोटे बच्चे को बहुत सारे प्राइजेस मिले थे. You do not know, child, uncle said. They were all friends of the shopkeeper. They were playing tricks to tempt you to try your luck. They wanted your money and they got it. Now forget all about it and don't tell anybody of your bad luck or your foolishness. तो उन्होंने बताया कि तुम नहीं जानते हो, वो दोस्ती थे जो वहाँ पे खड़े होके जो बूढ़े आदमी और वो जो लड़का कमा रहे थे वहाँ पे, वो दोस्ती थे. उन्होंने तुम्हारे साथ ट्रिक खेली है तुम्हारे पैसे लेने के लिए और तुम उनके उसमें आ गए. तो अभी किसी से भी किसी को भी अपने बैड लक के बारे में या अपनी इस मूर्खता के बारे में मत बताना. तो बच्चों सच में भी ऐसा होता है, बहुत बार ऐसा होता है, क्योंकि सब लोग इस दुनिया में अगर ईमानदार हो जाएं तो हमारी ये दुनिया कितनी अच्छी हो जाएगी, राइट. तो हमें हमेशा हर एक से अपनी ईमानदारी से ही का बर्ताव ही करना चाहिए. सो लेट्स हैव अ लुक ऑन वर्ड बैंक बच्चों. ट्रेड्समैन, a person engaged in a trading or trade relatively on a small scale. Trifle, a thing of little value or importance. Tempt, to try to do something that they find attractive but know to be wrong or unwise. Moral जो आपको इस कहानी से सीखने को मिलेगा, moral learnt, there is no such thing as bad luck or good luck. We should always use our presence of mind while taking any decision. Yes, भाग्य और दुर्भाग्य ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता है. जब हम लोग अपने दिमाग का यूज़ सही से सही इस्तेमाल करते हैं और सही जगह पर करते हैं तो हमें डेफिनेटली सक्सेस मिलती है. So let's practice with the help of comprehension. Multiple choices questions, MCQs. Tick the correct option in A part and you have fill in the blanks in B part. In C part make sentences and in D part write true for correct statements and false for incorrect statements. Answer the following questions in E part. Grammar workshop you have to try to join the pair sentences below. Use the words and but, so or because. इन वर्ड्स को यूज़ करते हुए आगे बढ़िए. और है आपके पास नाउ पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स. द कोमा, इट इज़ यूज्ड टू एक्सप्रेस द शॉर्टेस्ट पॉज एंड इज़ यूज्ड एज अ सेपरेटर बट ऑलवेज विद इन द सेंटेंस, नेवर एज एट इट्स एंड. It has the following uses: to separate the date and the year September 19, 2018, to mark of a direct quotation, come back he said, to separate expressions like of course and in fact, of course I will attend the meeting, to separate question tags, you haven't told him, have you. So insert commas in the sentences given below, whether wherever they are necessary. Full stop in punctuation mark we have, it marks the end of a sentence and hence to express a long pause. It has the following common uses to end all sentences except questions and exclamations, and he is coming to meet us today. After abbreviations for titles, names and degrees in American English, PM, MA, PhD. Capital letter, the following common uses may be noted. To begin the first word of the sentence, and the man's face was red with anger. To begin the first word of the direct speech, looking sad, she said to me, you can go home. To begin the names of day and months, and they are planning to come on Wednesday is the example, and example is my favorite month is March. So you have to rewrite these sentences by using capital letters, commas and full stops wherever these are required. Conversation आपके पास है, you have to complete the conversation between a mother and her daughter. Creative writing, write in your diary about the last visit to a fair in about 80 to 100 words. Write about the summer trip with your family in a diary entry. Crossroads, having fun at the fun fair. And in life skills, present of mind is a concept that refers to state of consciousness and mental sharpness that allows us to stay focused and think clearly in any situation, and it plays a fundamental role in our day-to-day life, everyday life. Okay, so while doing this bachcho, and while making understanding for this, have fun, enjoy.